Alright, what we have here is a 2003 Chevy Venture van. Just a picture or a view of it. We're changing the engine on it. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just showing you how to use a quick disconnect tool on it. This is the kit that works for it right here. I got it from Harbor Freight. This is the actual one. You see there, it's a 3/8. Anyway, this is the one. It's a 3/8. And all you do, the fuel line is up in here. Let me get a view of it. This hose is in the way. Alright, if I can get down in here. Alright. So all you have to do is take the tool. Alright, I have to just take this tool here, slide it on, slide it forward, you heard that snap, pull it off. There it is. It's that easy.